In this video, we will learn how to create a virtual environment of Python using Anaconda Navigator. First of all, let's search Anaconda Navigator on our machine. It can take some time to open. Let me go on my desktop to verify. So Anaconda is open now. We can see the list of applications are here. On top, we can see applications on. So here we can just see one environment which is base, that is the root environment. To see what all environments you have, you can go to environments. Just click on it and you will get all the environments that are available on your machine. You can see what all libraries are already installed, and you can click on not installed, and if you click here, you will get an option to apply. You can click on any of the libraries and then install it. Again, go to installed, and now let's suppose you want to create a new environment. You can click create, type the environment name, but before that I will show you what all environments I have on my machine right now. We have already seen through the UI, but we can also check from the command line. For that, again search Anaconda and go to Anaconda prompt. Here I can zoom it and I can type conda info -- envs, which is for environments. Currently I can see just base environment is available at this location. Okay, we will come back to this window again. Now let's create a new environment by name of test. It is showing you the location at which it will create a new environment. You can choose the programming language that you are using, Python or R. Since I am using Python, I will select the version that I want to install in this new virtual environment. So I want the latest version that is supported by Anaconda, which is 3.8, and I'm going to click create. You can see it has written creating environment at this location, and currently the process of creating an environment is working. As you can see, it is fetching the libraries and doing the various installations inside the environment. We can open this location and see what all we have. I can go here, users, my user, and then I can go to .conda envs, and here you can see that a new environment has been created, and here I have all the dependencies installed. We can go to libs, not this one. We can go to lib, and here we can see site packages, and here you can see all the libraries that are installed. And we can go back to Anaconda Navigator. So yes, the environment is ready. As you can see, test environment is available and it is loading the packages now. So once you create a new environment, it automatically installs the by default libraries that comes with Anaconda. So yes, environment setup is done. Now if I go back to the command prompt and type the same command, conda info space -- envs, we can see that now we have two environments. The base environment exists at this location and test environment exists at this location. This asterisk sign is representing that which environment is currently activated. You can see currently we have base environment activated. If I go to Anaconda and if I activate this environment is already activated. If you want to switch your environment, you can click on base root and it will start updating or activating base environment. And then if you open any application by going to home and open any application, the application will be opened in that environment only. You can also click on test and see what all applications you have in this environment. So yes, the applications are loaded for test environment. Now we can go back. We can also activate the environment from the command line. We can write conda activate and then the environment name. As soon as I enter, you can see that the environment has been switched from base to test, and we can run again conda info -- envs. You can now observe that the asterisk sign is against the test environment. This means you are currently using the test environment from your Anaconda Anaconda version. So that is all for this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you.